Hi everyone, it is Mrs. Robinson again. I hope you've been rock stars and doing your homework and doing your notes, and we are rocking this out. So this is review after day 5. This is review of multi-step equations. So you should have this handout. If not, just write these problems down. And then ask your teacher for this handout. So this is review. So we are on the equations relay race paper. This is version A. And then there's version B right next to it. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to start this so then you can rock this out in review. So the first step we're going to take is distributing this -3 to all the terms inside the parentheses. So I have -3m minus 18 equals, and then I'm going to bring everything else down. So 9m equals, and then I'm going to distribute this to 2m plus 2. All right, so I distributed, so now I no longer have parentheses, and then let's go from here. So then I'm going to combine like terms, so I have 9m minus 3m, which is 6m minus 18 equals 2m plus 2. And how I teach this is the car wash. So I'm going to put my wax on, wax off. I'm going to put my m on the left, and I'm going to put my -18 on the right. So these are the steps in order to put the like terms together. So 2m, I'm going to make into a negative. So that is 4m minus 18 equals 2. Okay. Then I'm going to, what is the inverse operation of a -18? Well, that is a positive 18. And then I have 4m equals 20. Okay, from there, I'm going to divide 4 to both sides, and I get m equals 5. Okay, so that is problem 1. What I will do then is I will go to problem 2. So m equals 5, and I'm going to plug in 5 over here to the m. So now I have 14 minus x plus 5 equals 3 times x plus 9 minus 10. Okay, make sure you distribute that negative to that parentheses with the x plus 5, and then distribute the 3 to the second parentheses, and then you'll solve the problem. Once you find x, then you're going to plug in the value of x to problem 3. So you can't move on to problem 3 until problem 2 is done. You can't move on to problem 4 until problem 3 is done. Hence, it's kind of a relay to going from one problem to another. Okay? All right. So that will help you get started for version A and version B of your relay review. All right, on the back, what is green and famous for running away from jail? Well, that's lovely. All right, so we are going to be solving these word problems. So first we have to make a word problem, and then we will solve them and then finish this riddle. Okay, Ken is thinking of a number. So number 1, 9 more than the product of 4, and the number is 73. Find Ken's number. So I know 9 more than. So that's something to do with plus. And then it says the product of 4 and a number. Okay, so 4n, or you could use any variable, any letter. And then it says is 73, so that equals 73. Okay, so solve this problem. And you should have gotten n equals 16. Okay, then on the bottom of the paper, wherever you see, so where did you get 16? All right, here it is. J is 16. So all the J's in this line right here, I'm going to cross out all the J's. Okay? So every time you solve one, you solve it, find your answer in this box. Okay? And then cross out all those letters. Whatever is left will be your answer to your puzzle. So hope you enjoyed this quick review, and ask questions to your teachers if you have any, and if you have any problems with any of them. All right, have a good one.